Alis na kami.
Ay, may ilig.
Tol, anak mo siya? Ang ganda pala ng anak mo, Tol. Parang artista.
Siyempre,
Buti na lang yung nagmana sa'yo, Tol. Joke lang ha.
Video pala.
Hindi, nagmana pa. Hindi ko yan.
Kapatid niya yan.
Oo nga eh. Kapatid.
Yung dalawa, seryoso talaga.
Excited lang to eh. Excited lang to.
Ano ka pala dun sa trail? Ano mo na lahat?
Alin? Oo, tinapos ko na eh. Sinabay ko yung stage.
Malakas pa to?
Ha?
Malakas pa?
Ano siya? Talagang lumalaban. Pinagsabay ko yung stage pero mabilis matapos.
Uy na.
Dito na kami. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hi. Dito na kami, guys.
Sana tamang go na.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ang bot.
Hoy, sinong tour guide natin dito? Hoy, taas kamay. Marang si Ani po ata yun eh. Yung tour guide natin.
Hindi ko yun alam te. Sama tayo. Mag-picture muna tayo. Hindi niya kayo, picturean ko kayo, remember? Travel, bus travel. Dapat ka not control, they will do
Ay, sorry.
Kasi may parating.
Ay, sorry, ate. Nakapunta ka na pala dito dati?
Sa baba lang, sa entrance kasi nagbayad. Bigay naman sila na ticket natin na dalawa.
Okay.
Sige lang, ginam ko yung mapa.
Hintayin natin ang isang bus.
Sino nakapunta na ba dito?
Lahat ata, first timer.
Saan na pupunta natin? Saan tayo? Hindi ko alam kasi sino, wala nga. Sino nakapunta na dito? Hintayin.
Alis na kami. Alis na yung service namin. Mamaya pa kaming 3:45 sundoon. Yan. Wala kaming tour guide, so kami-kami lang.
Sino po yung sa social justice?
Bye.
Anyo ba tayo? Anyo ba tayo?
Hi!
Good morning.
Good morning!
Welcome everyone here. So, my name is Josephine, and this is Vera. So, warm welcome to all of you. We are representing Kaduri Farm and Botanic Garden. Actually, the site is on the other side. We have to use this space today because there are quite a few of you here, and we are very happy about that. So there are about 100, I think, because just now the first bus we count about 65 or so of you are here. So a little bit about the history of Kaduri Farm. We call it KFBG. So it's a place where we So they are helping Hong Kong at that time to actually put in experimental farming for the immigrants coming from China. And so there are lots of work. Say, for example, later on in the afternoon, when you go to the other side, you will see chicken. Here there. And then there will be some farm activities, organic farming, and you will see some of the produce as well. So those are on display. And in the 90s, because Hong Kong didn't have a lot of farming needs anymore due to the development in the mainland, so we have a lot of changes. So the site has become a nature conservation site for both vegetation, we call it the flora, and also wildlife, so it's called the fauna. So again, this afternoon when you have the time, you will be able to see quite a few different kinds of animals, especially like owls or eagles. Some of them have been kept with us due to the illegal traffic of some of these endangered animals, or some simply because of who cannot actually take care of them, and then just turn them in, or they are injured. We were given to us by normal citizens in Hong Kong, or sometimes from the SPCA. So those are a big part of our work. And this year, do you know the associate sign? Yeah. Okay, so I hope you like snakes. So there are around, but we celebrate the snake every year, because snake
Year of the Snake.
a lot of good qualities. Other than people sometimes scared that you may get a bite, but there ain't a lot of poisonous snakes. Not that many actually. And this year we have put up quite a lot of games and also display about snake. And there is a game, like a board game on the ground. So when you are in the afternoon going around there, just enjoy those activities that we actually have prepared. And for the morning, so this is like what we do here. This activity is actually funded by one of the Kadoorie foundations as well. So they are very, very kind, very complete. They take up all the cost of the transportation, the activities, the renting of this venue, and also the meals. So we will actually provide lunch at around 1 o'clock. And in the morning, there will be activities for you to enjoy. And now we will have to find a way to easily to group into three activities. So, but then you will be swapped out between those activities. So you will have an experience of some creative activities or some movement. So this is the briefing that I want to, let you know about the rundown a little bit. And the bus will leave at 2 from here to the KFBG site. But then in the afternoon, after that is 4 o'clock, right? Yeah, so the activity will end at 4, and we will provide a bus to take you back either to Central or Kowloon Tong. So this is what we have prepared for all of you today. And again, I'm so happy to see all of you here. Yeah.
Yes.
So now I need some to actually group all of you into 3 possible, like around 30 people in one group.
Here. We are 29. Kasi yung gusto sumama pa sa amin. 29, dalawa. 31.
So 35, sorry. 35, kaya
I'm counting here. Let's go. Tara.
Magbilang pa
Hi.
to use the bathroom.
There's male and female, but then
Let's go guys. Pasok tayo. Dito na naman tayo sa yoga. Magyo-yoga kami guys.
Yoga tayo?
Okay? Magyo-yoga kami. Magyo-yoga. Ayan. Dito na lang siguro ako. Dito ako. Ayan. Wait, kumain na sila guys. Tara. Pila na rin ako. Kukuha na ako ng pagkain ko.
Wala kayo kutsara?
đấy thì phải có cái này thì thì thằng ấy nhiều quá là phải kêu quá là ở đây rất điểm cùng phải là đây đây
Thank you.
có rất điểm cùng trong biết điểm cùng cho là theo điểm lắm thì còn sẽ tặng
Free. Free, free, free. Free lunch. Let's go.
One, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
ano po saan
Sa ano yan? Sa
apat kayo dyan titingin Albert
Ay.
vegetarian kasi to.
Hi guys. Ito yung pagkain namin. Pare-pareho lang kami lahat ng pagkain. May dala silang liko.
buti kasi yung baon ko kasi kanina na munggo at saka
May liko siyang dala.
kasi sinend ko yung pagkain ayaw
Saging siya. Masarap.
ito pagkatapos hatiin mo siya
Biko.
ay ayaw huwag mong biakin yung plastic lagayan ko nito
Yan. Biko.
Wala kang
Yan,
ano?
saging.
Akin na yung chap na ano yung
Mga baon nila.
ayan
Ayan, mga baon. Mga pitbahay. Bahala kayo dyan. Mga pitbahay talaga ako. Pare-pareho lang pala yung handa. Wow, may mga baon din sila, oh. Ano ito? Puto? Ay, puto pala ako itlog. Ayan, dito naman sila sa tabi-tabi. Oh, orange ang ano nila, oh. Dessert. Uy, may ano sila? May kanton. Oh, yummy, yummy. Wow, dito. Wow, pare-pareho lang pagkain pala namin. Kala ko may naiiba. Ayan.
uy kumain ka na
Pinapakain na pala ako. Makabalik na nga. Sana ba yun? Eto, nagwarawara. Gusto mo magpawarawara? Magwarawaray ang tangkamunggay. Ayun na. Bye. Kakain muna kami guys. Bye-bye. Grabe na talaga. Let's go. Ay, sorry. Hala ka. Sorry. Panibago na namang driver to. Thank you. Aray. Hi. Hello. Tabang mga langit. Mga langit tabang. Eh, mayroon na naman tayo. Sorry.
This morning. So, in the afternoon, you will have another activity that is the treasure hunt. So you can see that there's a map in this booklet, and you need to find each checkpoint. Each checkpoint, you can do some tasks on that. So each one you get one booklet and one pencil, and you need to come back. Just a second. Wait. You need to come back here at 3:30.
3:30, okay.
3:30. Not later than 3:30.
Okay.
You can come back here. So I'm now.
Sana yun.
Tara.
Saan sila?
Ano po saan sila? Anong gagawin natin nito?
Hanapin natin yung nasa mapa.
Bakit may pencil tayo, may pencil? Wala akong balak maging architect.
Matakot ako sa bayan.
Huy! Papicture naman ako dito. Makuha yung ano.
May swimming pool siya. Yan, makita.
Hay! Lapit! Paano ba makipag-usap eh? Hey! Wah! Ay! Wait!
Ako ay buri mo tapi nyosrat tayo Spenira.
Iya kiela wong loyan ka
Biasa
mandai kala loyan ka kam kala loyan ka masin
Gambaran di mana?
Nalala ko manong kilungan dase kiya wake. Leng wo.
Let's go! Baka meron dito sa taas.
Iwan, trip tayo look out. Sunshine.
Ilan na lang kulang natin?
ay sus dalawa lang tayo.
Tara! Ala, ganda mga ano oh. Gulay. Tara.
Mga gulay sa taas.
Ano ba yan?
Kaya hawak saglit.
Kaya na yan. Ay, sorry. Lakas, muntik ka na. 12.
Ano daw ina-enjoy mo?
Pila. Excuse me. Pila guys. There. Okay, thank you. Ang ganda ng mga halaman guys. Oh, grabe. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng mga halaman na to. Ang ganda. Ay, ganda. Ganda mga garden nila, oh. Sus, grabe. Let's go. Naiwan na ako. Ari ko, sorry na. Ang ganda. May sale pa. Let's go. Ay! Wait! Tinawag na ako. Dito yun, pinakalas. Hirap manghunting ba? Kawala-wala. Kung kailan pa uwi na, saka na nagtatarantahan. Sila. Ano meron dito sa baba? Ayan. Check. Ako'y napagads. Mga dinadaanan natin. Babalikan na lang. Ayan. Ito na yung last final namin guys. Last. Uwian na kami. Uwian na.
Yung cherry pala na tas ganyan ng Wilis babae, Diyos ko. Pero masarap naman sa 791. Hindi na to.
Okay, we can take another one.
Ang ganda ng video mo, mahal. Yung ano.
Ito na yung mga shuttle bus na nakapark. Shuttle bus ng Cadol or ayan. Umakyat siguro sila sa taas kanina. Uwi na kami.
Diretso na nga. Imbis na hindi tayo malantang gura doon sa Pinanggaling.
Ginanahan. Ginanahan. Sige na, singit kayo ng singit. Hanggat sa'yo maiipit. Aray ko pulod.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hindi nga siya naman sin, magpasalamat ka pa.
Kaya nga, bahala ka. Oy, ayaw mo mag... No?
At least nakarating kami safe.
Yeah. Dito kami.
Plastikan.
Dito kami.
Maglakad na lang tayo.
Aray. Dito kami.
Ang tayo.
Sinundo kanina. Dito rin kami hinatid ngayon. Okay. Ay, napagod na ako. Nanto ka pa?
Uwi na rin ako. Hapon na yun.
Bye! Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye.
Ano yung CR doon ba?
Bye! Bye-bye!